Dribbling is the most important in basketball. Dapat may bawa nimo unsang control sa bola gamit imong fingertips dili ang palad.
Common mistake ang high dribble o paglantaw sa bola, dapat control o low para save. To practice is a zigzag dribbling drill. Mag-dribble ka left and right while moving forward para ma-improve imong ball control or agility. Passing is important to move the ball efficiently. There are three common types of passes: chest pass, bounce pass, or overhead pass.
Very good.
Chest pass kay para sa pass o accurate na pass. And then bounce pass kay para gamiton kung gusto nimong iwasan ang defender. And overhead pass kay para sa long range ang passing. Ang common mistakes kay weak passes, dapat gamiton imong wrist, arm o strength para likod o accurate ang passes. Para ma-improve ang passing, mag-partner passing drill mo. Focus sa accuracy o timing.
Shooting kinahanglan ang tan, kulot ug accuracy. Dapat naka-position ka og tarong kada chance kulot ang bola.
Shoulder mo kay topong eyes on the rim. Gamitan mo sa bilis ng bola. Pag-release mo, dapat relax ang wrist para follow through.
Kaya ang life pala ito, kamot na pa na mabili na mga technique after mo release.
From improving mo shooting, mo feature of spot shooting drills mo kada practice. Just like this. The bowling is important to gain position of the ball. Dapat ka mo position o gamit inyong lawas para dili na makuha sa kontra. Gamit ang box it out technique, ibutang sa imong lawas na kubangan sa defender. Then bend your knees para maka-jump higher.
Drill mo gamit ang wall banding exercise para ma-practice ang jumping ug timing.
Good defense can stop your opponent from scoring. Kinahanglan nimo proper stance, lateral movement o anticipation. Bend your knees, stay low, and keep your hands up. Kung gamitan ang imong footwork para madali makasunod sa imong bantayan.
Common mistake ang pagkatindog ug reaching fouls. Imbis gamiton ang imong remote, focus sa footwork ug body positioning.
Para ma-improve ang depensa, mag-defensive slide drill mo. Move to side para mahasa ang lateral movement.